Hi doll friends, welcome back! In today's Adventure Time custom doll, we are making Fiona, a fictional character from Ice King's fanfiction who is actually the gender-bent version of Finn. A lot of you have requested for me to make her, so I hope you enjoy watching this video. I am using an Ever After Heidlas Darling Charming, and we begin by removing the face paint using lacquer thinner and cutting her hair. Once we have a clean head, we can now begin drawing on a new face. I always list the materials I use for repainting on the description box below for your reference, so check it out if you're curious of the stuff I usually use. Her face up is almost done here, but before we finish it, let's work on her bunny hat first. These are the pattern pieces I made for her bunny hat, and we will be using this nice fabric with a velvety stuffed toy texture. The store I bought it from calls this fabric Velboa, and I got it in two colors, baby pink and white. We will be using the white one for this project. Trace your pattern pieces into the wrong side of the fabric. If you're like me who easily forgets which pieces go together, you can put arrows and marks like what I'm doing here. Don't forget to add seam allowances as well. I usually freehand at least 1/4 of an inch around for the seam allowance. Cut everything and we're ready to put them together. Let's start with the bunny ears. I traced the pattern on the far left so I can just fold it like this and sew along the line. Trim off the excess and cut snips around the curved part. Cutting snips on curved edges releases the tension and helps the fabric lay flat once you turn it inside out. Then fill the inside with some pillow fluff. Next, put together the front and back pieces and sew on this curved part, right sides facing each other. You should have two sets, the left and right part of the bunny hat. Then connect both left and right front parts. To finish the opening of the bunny hat, I cut the seam allowances in parts and glue it down using fabric glue. I did the same thing on the bottom part of the hat as well. Then, fold it in half and sew it together. but not all the way though, since we still have to put it on the doll's head. Next, grab the top piece and sew it on the unhemmed opening of the hat. Once done, cut 2 little holes on the sides of the hat so we could insert the bunny ears we made earlier. Then secure with a back stitch or fabric glue, or both like what I did here. Then trace another circle on a stretchy fabric and sew it over the top part. Leave a small opening and fill the inside with pillow fluff. This will give the hat a rounder and fuller shape once it's on the doll's head. Next, curl a weft and glue it on the front opening of the hat. Put it on the doll and sew the back part close using a blind stitch. Fill the inside with some more fluff, then hot glue the bottom of the hat on the doll's head to keep the insides from falling out. Then we can finally finish the rest of her face up. For her shirt, I am going to use this turquoise blue sock. Cut a piece that fits our shirt pattern. Cut the sock open and hem all the sides. Fold the sock in half again with right sides facing each other and trace the shirt pattern. Sew and trim off the excess. Again, don't forget to cut snips on the curved parts. Make small cuts for the neck opening and hem with a back stitch. Turn it inside out and the shirt is done. For her skirt, I am using this stretchy darker blue fabric called ITY. Cut a longish piece, fold over just a bit and hem. Use the skirt pattern as a guide, draw a line and trim off the excess on the short half. The fabric is pretty thin, so we are putting together 2 layers for the skirt. And fold the long half over and hem. Next, fold this in half, right sides facing each other, and trace the skirt pattern. So, trim off the excess and turn it inside out for a finished skirt. And lastly, for her backpack. Trace a top-front pattern on a light green felt. Then, trace the bottom front, back, and straps pattern pieces on a darker green felt. Again, don't forget to add seam allowances. Layer front parts on top of each other and base it together. Cut a small opening on the back part and insert the straps. Then, secure the straps inside with the fabric glue. Paste the other end of the straps to the sides. Next, put together your front and back pieces, right sides facing each other. Trim the excess and turn it inside out. Fill the inside with fluff and sew the bag close. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe for more custom doll videos, and please tap the notification bell so you get notified as soon as I post something new. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Mozekyto. Take care and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!